We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends and my dear students. Today you will learn something about engineering curves, various types of curves or conic sections. Okay, so let's start. So first we will talk about cone. What do you mean by cone? So here you can see the diagram of cone, okay, and here you can also see one vertical line in middle, okay. This line is known as an axis of cone. Understood? Now we will talk about curves or conical sections. So first, what is the definition of curves or conical sections? So let's see. So here definition is given: when a cone is cut by a cutting plane with different positions of the plane relative to the axis of the cone, it gives various types of curves like triangle, circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Understood? So these curves are known as conic sections. Understood? So what do you mean by curves and conical section? So here you will better understand by seeing definition of the curves and conical section. Understood? So here you can see that on the image of cone, on the diagram of cone, red line shows, different red line shows. So this red line shows different position of cutting plane. Understood? So we are having different methods for different conical sections. Okay, for that we need to cut a cone respectively. Understood? So let's see it in details. First we will see about triangle, how to get triangle. So for getting triangle we have to cut cone from apex to the center of the base, or we can say that vertically we have to cut it. Okay, so let's see on the figure. So here you can see that we have to get the triangle. So here we have cut cone from apex on the top to the center of the base on the bottom. Okay, so here we are getting triangle. Understood? Then we are talking about circle. So how to get circle? So here we have to cut cone by a cutting plane which should parallel to base or perpendicular to axis of the cone. Did you get? Okay, so let's see on diagram. So here you can see that we are getting circle. So here we have cut cone by a cutting plane which should parallel to base or perpendicular to the axis of the cone. Okay, so here we are getting circle as a conic section. Understood? After that we talk about ellipse. How to get ellipse? So here we have to cut a cone in such a way that the cutting plane remains inclined to axis of cone and it cuts all generators of cone. Here you have to remember, it cuts all generators of the cone. Okay, so let's see it on diagram. So here you can see that we are getting ellipse. Here we have cut cone in such a way that the cutting plane remains inclined to axis of cone. Understood? And it cuts all generators of the cone. Okay, these are the generators of the cone. Understood? Then after we talk about parabola. So for getting parabola, what you have to remember? We have to cut a cone by a cutting plane which should incline to axis of cone but remains parallel to one of the generators of cone. Here you have to remember, it remains parallel to one of the generators of the cone. Understood? So let's see it on the diagram. So here you can see that parabola, for getting parabola we have cut a cone by a cutting plane which should incline to axis of the cone but remains parallel to one of the generators of the cone. Understood? Finally we talk about hyperbola. So to get hyperbola we have to cut a cone by a cutting plane which should parallel to axis of cone. What do you have to remember? It remains parallel to axis of the cone. So let's see it on the diagram. So here you can see that hyperbola. So here we have cut a cone by cutting plane which should parallel to axis of cone, means which is parallel to axis of the cone. Understood? So these are the different engineering curves. Okay, and we called it as a conic sections. Understood? So friends, I think you got sincerely all the points that I taught to you in today's lesson. This is a very important topic from exam point of view. It may be asked in your university exam. So friends, again you can see this video for better understanding of this topic, and if you will have any doubts then you can register your query via email and Facebook. You can see my mail ID and Facebook ID on your mobile screen. You can note it. Okay, so raise your query. I will be available always for your solution. Okay, so see you soon. Take care.